Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java, break and continue. Okay, let's get started. Now here you can see it is written Java break. Okay, so you have already seen the break statement. So we have earlier seen this break statement in our videos. So it was used to jump out of a loop, you can say, okay, of a switch statement. Okay, the break statement can also be used to jump out of a loop. Okay, we have to jump out of a loop. So here what we are going to try it. So here we have main, then method, int I equal to 0, int I less than 10, I plus plus. This is the for loop under which we have a if condition like I is equal to 4, and then it will break. Then this loop will work till I value become 4. Okay, so let's get started. First the I value is 0, we are checking. Okay, then it will print 0. Now I value become s plus plus is 1. One value will be printed because this condition is true. Okay, now I value is 2, condition is true, then 2 is printed. I value is 3 now, then condition is true, then 3 is printed. I value become 4, condition is true. So now it's saying break. Okay, so now 4 will not be printed. Let's see once again because this is a very main topic and it is very confusing. So first I value is 0. Okay, this condition is false. Okay, I here if we are in place of I, we are putting 0 equal to 4, false na, so it will not break. Okay, now I plus plus is done, so now 1, okay, equal to 1 equal to 4, wrong, 1 is printed. Now 2 equal to 4, the condition is false, then 2, then 3 equal to 4, false. Okay, now 4 is true, then this will break. Now this for loop will be closed. Now it will come out of the loop. Okay, so you can say 0 1 2 3 4. Now break, you got it. Now continue. The continue statement break one iteration in the loop. If a specified condition occurs, the continue with the next iteration in the loop. So let's see that. Okay, int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I equal to 4, then continue. Okay, so I value is 0. Okay, currently now this condition is true, then it will continue. Then it become 1, then it's fine, it will continue. Now 2 equal to 4, condition is like false only, then it will continue. 3, it will continue. Now 4 equal to 4, then continue. So this 4 will not be going here. Okay, you got it. Now 5, it will continue. 6, it will print. 7, it will print. 8, 9, till 9, because it equal is not going to, it will till 9, will only 4 will not print. Okay, got it. So you have to read it once again. The continue statement break one iteration. What it to break one iteration, like 4th iteration it has breaked. Okay, if a specified condition occurs, continue with the next iteration. Okay, that like in this 4 will not get printed, rest all the value will get printed. This is continue. More example they have given with while loop, for loop you have seen. These are both with while loop. So we will see this also. Int I equal to declaration there, condition here, and then increment decrement is here. Okay. So I value is currently 0, less than 10, condition is true, then 0 will print. Now I value became 1 no, false, it will not break. Then 2 3, now it become 4, then condition become, and it will become 0 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3, break is very easy to understand, not a problem. Okay, only that iteration will break, which is here, like fourth iteration it will break, rest all will be printed. Okay, so here you can see 0 1 2 3, 4 is not printed, 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let's see the exercise. For int I equal to 0, this condition they have given, stop the loop, then we will use break. Okay, submit. Now we will see correct. So like this we have completed today Java break and continue. I think this topic will be clear to you. If you have any question, please comment. Do like, subscribe my video, and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.